is Etty, and today I'm going to be making some macrame home decor. Is it normal to be this excited about macrame? Okay, before I get started, you know what time it is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get notified whenever I upload my home decor videos. I'm going to be making this gorgeous macrame mirror. So this has been on my to-do list for the longest time, and I'm so excited that I finally got to do it, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. And honestly, it was really easy. It was so relaxing to make. So basically, you can't go wrong. I'll include some links in the description on where to find all the items that I'm using. So basically, I'm using this 10-inch round mirror, some macrame cord, and I'm also going to use this floral hoop. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your macrame cord and cut it to the length that is twice the size of the diameter of your mirror. So with that cord, I'm going to fold it in half, I'm going to put it over the ring, and then I'm going to take the other side and bring it around and through the loop. And I'm going to need to do the same thing all around the ring, so I'm actually going to have to cut quite a lot of these. Tying all the cords around the ring, I'm going to take the cords and separate them into sections. So these sections are going to be the petals that are going around the ring. I'm going to have sections of about 7 macrame cords. So I'm going to start in one section here, and I'm going to take the leftmost cord of that section, hold it in one hand, and then with the other hand, I'm going to take the cord that's right next to it, bring it underneath my leftmost cord, and I'm going to make a 4 with that, and then I'm going to bring that through the loop that I've just created. So I'm going to do this twice for each cord until the middle of this section. Same thing, just on the other side. So I'm going to switch hands and do the exact same thing. So now that I've got both sides done, they kind of meet in the middle. So I'm just going to double knot it so that it holds well. Now I'll repeat this whole process again on the same petal. This will give it like a double layer, which will make it look a little bit more structured and a little bit nicer. Alright, and once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and repeat this with all the other sections until I've covered my whole ring. So I'm done tying all my knots here. So now the next step that I want to do is I just want to have like a little bit of fringe on the outside of these petals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the stick over here, I've got the pointed end, and I'm just going to run that through the macrame cord. That'll just kind of unravel the cord, and then we'll be able to make some fringe with that. So the thing about this fringe, the cord that I used was a little bit intricate. It wasn't like a regular like braided cord. So to unravel this was really time consuming. So I would suggest using a braided cord instead of the one that I have here. I'll put some links down in the description below just so that you don't get stuck with this one like I did. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to use a pair of scissors and I'm just going to cut off all the extra fringe. So I'm just going to follow the same line as the shape of our macrame over here. So I'm going to go along these petals and cut off all the extra fringe. once I've given the macrame a nice little haircut, I'm gonna go ahead and stick that onto my mirror. So to do this, I'm gonna use a glue gun. So I'm gonna flip over my macrame hoop and I'm gonna glue around the hoop over here, and then I'm gonna take my mirror and press that down on top until the glue is dried. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of extra glue wherever I feel like it needs it. That's the end of my video for today. I love making these macrame projects. They're really fun to make, easy, relaxing. Honestly, if you need something to de-stress with, this is for you, and you end up with some really great home decor. So if you like this video, just hit the like button down below. And let me know if you want more videos like this one on Macrame Home Decor. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can see my weekly home decor videos. Bye guys, see you next time.